I'm so eating it.
Gotta get this on video.
Ah, crap. I did rip it. There's the bag.
There's the insects covered in chocolate. Oh God, you're gonna do it?
I'm gonna try the white one.
Oh God.
What's the white one? Cricket or the worm?
I don't know. The insect whatever?
God.
Looks kind of crunchy. Yeah. It doesn't taste like insect.
No? What does it taste like? Anything?
You know what?
No.
Just chocolate.
Can I see the inside of it?
Really just chocolate.
Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of crunchy, but you don't taste anything besides chocolate, really.
Just like eating a chocolate raisin? No?
Yeah, no, you don't taste raisin.
Okay.